How to add videos to watch later on Vimeo application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. To add videos to watch later, go ahead and open the Vimeo app first and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now go ahead and scroll through the watch list and then find the video you want to add to watch later. Once you find the video, in the preview section, tap the three dots right next to the name of the video and then click on Save. Inside the Save option, click on Watch Later. Now you have added the video to the Watch Later menu. Now go ahead and click on the Saved option at the bottom right and you'll be able to see the Watch Later tab. All of the videos that you've added to Watch Later will be listed over here. So that is how you can easily add a video to Watch Later. It is a great way to collect videos without interrupting your viewing flow. So that's how you can easily save videos on Vimeo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.